one dumbbell. And I really love using one dumbbell. I have lots of formats that include one dumbbell, including my new one, which is called Only One. So, some moves from not just the dumbbell, actually, this one is. We're using one dumbbell, and we're actually doing something very, very quick. So what we're going to do with the legs is we're going to do a really short, quick kick. And it's a leg kick actually, so you're bending your knee and then kicking the toe out. And then the dumbbell with both hands in the center, or if your hands don't fit there, both hands on the phone. And also the option for why you need to do hands on the phone is for people who are larger in build. So they might find it very awkward to bring their hands into the center. So this is an option for hands on the phone, which I'll do now. So we're going to push the dumbbell down and do a really quick little flip kick to either side. So it's like a land upright row, except you're not pulling up, you're pushing down. You're pushing down and you're doing a little flip kick to the side. Now this will force the elbows to go out, so make sure the elbows go out and not stay in, so they're doing it like a tricep. This is more of like a pushing down action, and you're kicking your legs out, 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 out. Now I use this to a really old song from the 1920s. It's like a flapper song. And so this is a perfect tempo because it's actually quite a quick piece of music. So, some little variations on that. You can do double kicks. And that could go really well with country western. So that's another option. This would work really well with country western music. Kick, kick. So the workout comes from the speed of the movement, because the movement itself, if I just did it at any speed, would be actually quite easy. So slower, I don't really feel much effort because I'm pushing down with both hands, so there's not a lot of work that has to happen from my upper body, and my legs don't have to work that hard to perform that movement. So it has to be quick if you want it to be a workout. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, push, push, or single, single, double. Single, single, double. Well, there we go. And interesting little combinations, you can play around with that. So now I'm getting warm. I can feel my arms are now starting to feel something. Okay, but again, it's all about the speed. And that's this week's Aqua tip. Demonstrating the single leg kick with the single dumbbell movement is actually pretty easy on land. This doesn't require a lot of effort because firstly the propulsive part of it isn't very high intensity. It's a bit like an aerobic move in a low way. So you've got your hands in the center. You're going to demonstrate your hands here or your hands on the phone. And basically you're just kicking from side to side. That's all it is. Now, super important that you focus on what the arms are doing so they understand that they've got to move through a range of motion. They're not just doing this, that they push your arms down, which will encourage shoulders to go down too. But when you're kicking, you don't need to kick very high because remember in the water, I wasn't kicking my legs up very high because of the speed aspect. But you really need to emphasize, remember that pull back, to pull your heel back. So up, up, up. So make sure you lift your heel up. But a pretty easy exercise to demonstrate. You don't need a chair, you don't need a frame. You can do it pretty easily, and that's this week's Aqua tip.